Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the SHF Battle Hopper from the original Kamen Rider Black series. But as a bonus, we will also unbox two more figures. The SHF Kamen Rider Black and the SHF Kamen Rider Black RX. But before we start the unboxing, as usual, let's take a look at the box first. So, at the box, you will see the Battle Hopper from the 1980 series. And it says this is manufactured by Bandai. Then there's the Kamen Rider Black logo on front of the box. And it also says this is an SHF figure. On the side of the box, an image of Battle Hopper, and there's the name Battle Hopper on the other side. Below the box are Japanese characters, and it says that it's manufactured by Bandai. And back the box, there's an image of Battle Hopper and Kamen Rider Black riding it. It also says that is a movable figure. I don't understand the other words said in the box because it's written in Japanese. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at what's inside the box. You will immediately see the Battle Hopper figure. Not much accessories inside the box, just the Battle Hopper itself. Let's remove it from the box. You could see the likeness of this Battle Hopper figure to the original Battle Hopper from the 1980 series. I think Hot Toys has released a Battle Hopper, but that version is based on the remake. This one is based on the classic TV show, and you can see the likeness of this one on the Battle Hopper of 1980 series. This one's very detailed, and it is also movable. The wheels are movable as well. You can push this one, and it's made out of plastic, and there are rubber parts, combination of rubber and plastic. The engine is highly detailed as well. The chrome parts are made of plastic. The seats as well are highly detailed. Even the exhaust and the chassis of the Battle Hopper, and the mugs, the antenna. For SHF, this is very highly detailed. And what else is inside the box? I think there is a holder so that you could post this one standing. Let's try to look for it. The base of this Battle Hopper. Here it is. This is the base that you could place on the tires of Battle Hopper so that it could stand on its own. Now let's take a look at how it looks like. on display. Now, this is how the Battle Hopper looks like with the base. This base helps it stand on its own, balances the Battle Hopper. If you are a Kamen Rider Black fan, this is a must-have figure. It is already a rare find. And like what I promised, this will be a triple unboxing. We will also unbox the Kamen Rider Black SHF figure. And later on, as another bonus, the Mask Rider Black RX version by SHF. But before that, let's start with this one first. The Mask Rider Black SHF made by Bandai. But before the unboxing, like always, let's have a look at the box first. The front of the box is clear, so you can already see the SHF Kamen Rider Black or Mask Rider Black from the original 1980 series. It also says Bandai because SHF is made by Bandai. And figure of Kamen Rider Black on the Henshin pose. Of course, the Kamen Rider Black logo and a warning choking hazards because of the small parts that comes with the figure. On the side, it says SHF figure. Front, Kamen Rider Black or Mask Rider Black. Other side, Mask Rider Black and an image of him. And of course the black, other details like it is a movable figure. Kamen Rider Black on the riding the Battle Hopper, and then Kamen Rider Black on the doing the rider kick. It says molding. It's a movable figure. The ad, of course, they repeated it, warning choking hazards, just to make sure, because of the dangers of the small parts to the children. And let's start the unboxing and take a look at what's inside the box. In the box, you will see the Mask Rider Black figure itself, of course, and the extra hands that comes with it. I think there are 5 extra hands that comes with this SHF figure. No weapons for Mask Rider Black. And let's remove the figure from this one so that we can see much clearer. Now, this is how the figure looks like. Some difficulty in removing this one. This is how the Kamen Rider Black or the Mask Rider Black figure looks like. This one is a movable figure. The head is very movable. The arms, both arms are very movable, even the waist, the knees. So it's easy to pose it in the rider kick pose. Henshin pose would be no problem as well. Rider punch, very poseable figure, good articulation. This one's made out of hard plastic. The Henshin belt is also highly detailed. Even though this figure is small, the details are still amazing. Even the underarms are highly detailed. The back is highly detailed as well. The likeness of this figure to the original Kamen Rider Black suit from the 1980s is really awesome. Of for a small figure, this one's highly detailed. This one's an awesome figure. If you are a collector or a fan of Kamen Rider Black, if you find a figure available in the market, please buy it. This one's already a rare find, and your collection of Kamen Rider Black won't be complete without this one. And like what I said, it also comes with 10 extra hands so that you can change the pose for this one. And if you have the Battle Hopper SHF figure, having this is a perfect match. You could place this one on a riding pose on Battle Hopper. Okay, let's try to come up with a pose for this one riding the Battle Hopper. Now this is how the SHF Kamen Rider Black or Mask Rider Black looks like on a riding pose with Battle Hopper. And like what I promised, it doesn't stop from there. We have another figure to be unboxed, the SHF Kamen Rider Black RX. But before that, I forgot to say that these two figures also comes with an extra instruction manual on how to assemble the figures. But the only downside is it's written in Japanese. So now let's have a look at the box again for this figure. It says Mask Rider Black RX on front of the box. It's a clear black, so you would have a glimpse on how the Mask Rider Black RX figure looks like. It also says it's manufactured by Bandai. Of course, the black Kamen Rider Black RX logo, Mask Rider Black RX name on the right side of the box, SHF figure, Kamen Rider Black RX on his fighting pose, and it shows Kamen Rider Black RX riding the Acrobatter, and here he's holding his weapon or his sword, and the rest are written in Japanese. Of course, there's a choking hazard like the other figures because of the small things that comes with it, choking hazards, and it says a movable figure too. So let's start the unboxing. Now, for removing the box, we could see that the figure, the Kamen Rider Black RX figure, comes with 10 extra hands, and it also has 2 weapons with the figure. And what else is inside? I think there are extra pegs just in case you damage the one on the figure. So let's now try to remove Kamen Rider Black RX from the box. Now this is how Mask Rider Black RX looks like outside of the box. Like the Kamen Rider Black figure by SHF, this one's also highly detailed. The likeness of this one to the suit on the original series is very amazing as well. It looks like the original suit of Kamen Rider Black RX. From the helmet, the armor, shoes, everything that comes with it is highly detailed, and it's also very movable. very movable, no issues in posing this one. Even the head is very movable. Joints very movable as well. It's easy to pose this. And also it's also made out of hard plastic. The helmet of Kamen Rider Black RX is glossy. The antenna is made out of hard plastic as well. There are some glossy parts for this one, but this is all made out of hard plastic. I don't think there's rubber parts for this one. Everything is made out of hard plastic, and everything is highly detailed, from the henshin belt, back of Kamen Rider Black RX, the helmet, the shoes, even the sole of the shoes is highly detailed as well. For a small figure, this is a very highly detailed toy. And of course, like what I said, it also has 10 extra hands so that you can pose him in his battle pose, henshin pose, and you could also use the other hand so that you could wield the Rebel Cane, his primary weapon. And this one's the Rebel Cane as well, and there's it has an effect that it lights up, but this is both the Rebel Cane. Now, like always, let's try to come up with a display pose for these three figures. Now, this is the display pose that I've come up with for these three figures. If you are a fan of the original Kamen Rider Black series, this is a must-have figure. The Kamen Rider Black SHF Battle Hopper. And if you also watch the Black RX or the Mask Rider Black 2 series, this is also a must-have, the SHF Black RX. These figures are already hard to find, and if there is still available figures in the market, I suggest that you buy it now. If you are a true fan of Mask Rider Black, I've also unboxed previously the Hot Toys Black Sun and the Hot Toys Shadow Moon. Please do check them out. And if you already have those two figures, I suggest that you also, or recommend that you also buy these three figures. Now, if you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.